Good day guys, today we're looking at my father's Puma pocket knife, and if never used or sharpened it, he got it for his 21st birthday present, and it's just a new and beautiful knife, still brand new. So let's have a look at it. So here at the bottom it's only the date, no price, but here is the knife. As you can see, there's a nice holder and everything, and it's just a beautiful knife and very sharp with all the original stickers, and also with it there's the number at the back also, and it's just a very beautiful knife. It's a folding knife, very nice, small and compact in the hand also, and very well and smooth opening. I like the shape of the blade also. It's a very nice design and I like it a lot, and it just looks good. So let me know in the comment what do you think about this knife, and if there is something special you know about this knife. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.